Welcome back to Soul Moon Rising. I am Jennifer, and in today's crystal video we're talking about selenite. So lots of different forms of selenite here. The basic one that you see right here is just a selenite tower. We have a couple different cut and polished pieces of selenite right here. These two pieces are raw selenite. This one's wrapped with the chakras on it. This is a piece of raw selenite from Utah. This is actually almost a mica type version of selenite. Gorgeous piece. And then finally, the selenite rose, which is a very unique formation of selenite. All right, so let's talk about selenite. What is it? Well, it's a beautiful crystal formation, obviously. It comes in, it's kind of a stride formation, so it comes in mostly strips versus others that come in points, or they'll have an actual like crystal structure like a square or triangles or something like that. Selenite is a very, very soft stone. It only ranks about 5 on the most hardness scale, so do not get your selenite wet. It will start to dissolve. Okay, so if you need to cleanse selenite, which you shouldn't unless it actually gets physically dirty, because selenite is self-cleaning. So if perhaps it gets dirty because, I don't know, somebody spills something on it, then clean it up the best that you can. Try and not soak the crystal itself. Now let's talk about what it's good for. So selenite, like I said, is self-cleaning. It's also charging, so you can put your other crystals on it, especially one like this. You can set your other crystals right on top of it, and it will cleanse and charge your other crystals. So in between moon cycles, or if you don't happen to have a smudge stick, that's a great option to, keep your crystal babies happy and healthy. Selenite is great for clearing out negative energy and bringing back in the positive energy. It connects with the divine realm, so it's great for third eye and crown chakra activations, and it's just a happy crystal. So this one here is going to be my new crystal baby, guys. So this one you will see in my office or anywhere around my house. Now let's reference the book and see what the book says about selenite. If I can get to the right page. Okay, selenite is a calcium sulfate mineral. And excuse me, it only has a hardness of 2, which is why it will dissolve. So never, ever, ever get anything softer than a 5 wet. Otherwise, you're going to lose part of your crystal. So it opens and activates the third eye and crown chakra like we just talked about, as well as the soul star chakra, which is something that we haven't really talked about on this channel yet. But it is a lesser recognized chakra, and it actually deals with more of the celestial realms. So the intensity of the energy delivered by selenite is greater than most any other stone for the upper chakras. A selenite wand pointed at the third eye sends energy that can feel like a gust of wind through the forehead and out the top of the head. So when they're talking a selenite wand, this little piece would be considered a wand. You can also get cut and polished ones or raw ones that are slightly bigger too. So selenite is a great all-around stone to have in your collection, and I personally believe it's definitely one of the top 10 crystals every person needs to have. So for today, from my light to yours, namaste.